how to clean up your toolpaths using the Trim Toolpath feature in Fusion. So I have this part that I downloaded from the Titans of CNC Academy, which is a great resource if you're looking for sample parts to practice programming. I'm going to go up here and select a flow toolpath. I am going to use this face as the drive face. I am going to set my tool orientation, and let's just grab a random tool. This ball mill will work. And let a toolpath generate on there. Okay, so now we have a toolpath. And as you can see right here, there's an extra pass that I don't necessarily want on here. The rest of the toolpath looks pretty good. Nice even step overs blending from this line to this line, exactly as I would expect from a flow toolpath. But let's go ahead and get rid of this. And I'm going to do that with the Trim Toolpath feature here. And now we have a few different options for selection, but I'm going to stick with the polygon by default. And we're going to go in here and draw a polygon around this toolpath. When I click OK, it will regenerate the toolpath. And now you can see that it's removed that little pass that we wanted to get rid of. And what we're left with is a nice clean toolpath that has one entry and one exit. Now, if we wanted to further modify the speeds and feeds and other parameters of this toolpath, we can go ahead and open this up, make those changes, click OK. And when it regenerates, we won't lose the modification that we just made. Now, if we wanted to further modify this toolpath, we could click on this pencil that's next to the toolpath name. You can see the extrusion from our first sketch right here, and we could go ahead and draw another sketch, another polygon. Click OK, it will regenerate, and now we have a new toolpath with the middle trimmed out like we just did. So if we want to remove the modifications altogether, what we have to do is right-click the toolpath, go down to Delete Modifications, delete those modifications, and we're back to our original toolpath with that extra pass right here. And that is how you can clean up your toolpath using the Trim Toolpaths feature in Fusion.